The Earth is home to a stunning array of species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems. However, many of these species are now on the brink of extinction due to human activities and environmental changes. Understanding the causes and consequences of this crisis is essential if we are to preserve the planet's biodiversity and ensure the survival of these extraordinary creatures. Today, over 41,000 species are listed as threatened with extinction by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. This includes mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, fish, and plants. Iconic species such as tigers, orangutans, and rhinoceroses face severe threats, as do lesser-known but equally important species like pangolins, axolotls, and the vaquita, a critically endangered porpoise. This alarming rate of decline is often referred to as the sixth mass extinction, as it parallels previous extinction events in Earth's history, but is largely driven by human activity. Deforestation, pollution, climate change, poaching, and habitat destruction are some of the primary culprits behind this loss of biodiversity. Tigers, one of the most recognizable and majestic species, are critically endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Once found across Asia, their numbers have dwindled to fewer than 4,000 in the wild. Conservation efforts like protected reserves and anti-poaching initiatives have shown promise, but challenges remain. Often called scaly anteaters, pangolins are among the most trafficked mammals in the world. Their scales are sought after in traditional medicine, while their meat is considered a delicacy in some cultures. This has driven all 8 pangolin species to the brink of extinction. The vaquita, a small porpoise native to the northern Gulf of California, is on the verge of disappearing, with fewer than 10 individuals believed to remain. They are often caught accidentally in fishing nets, a practice known as bycatch. Orangutans, found only in Borneo and Sumatra, face severe threats from deforestation, especially due to palm oil plantations. As their habitats shrink, their populations have plummeted, making them critically endangered. Hawksbill turtles are critically endangered due to the illegal trade of their shells, used to make jewelry and ornaments. Climate change and ocean pollution further threaten their survival. Habitat loss. Urban expansion, logging, agriculture, and mining have destroyed vast stretches of forests, wetlands, and coral reefs, leaving animals without food or shelter. Poaching and illegal wildlife trade. Animals are hunted for their skins, horns, and other body parts, which are sold on the black market. This practice decimates populations and disrupts ecosystems. Climate change. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and changing weather patterns affect the habitats and food sources of many species. For example, polar bears struggle to find food as Arctic ice melts. Pollution. Plastic waste, oil spills, and chemicals contaminate ecosystems, poisoning animals and degrading their habitats. Overfishing. Overfishing not only depletes marine species, but also disrupts the food chains they are part of, impacting other marine life. Biodiversity is essential for the health of ecosystems, which provide vital services such as clean air, water, and fertile soil. Each species, no matter how small, plays a role in maintaining these systems. The loss of one species can set off a chain reaction, affecting others in the ecosystem. Moreover, endangered species often hold cultural and economic significance. Elephants and tigers, for instance, attract tourism, which supports local economies. Additionally, many species contribute to medical research and discoveries that benefit human health. Protected areas and national parks. Establishing national parks and wildlife sanctuaries helps safeguard habitats and provide safe havens for endangered species. Anti-poaching initiatives, increased surveillance, stricter laws, and community involvement are vital in combating illegal hunting and wildlife trade. Captive breeding programs. Zoos and conservation organizations run breeding programs to increase population numbers and reintroduce species into the wild. Sustainable practices. Encouraging sustainable agriculture, fishing, and forestry helps reduce the impact of human activities on ecosystems. Community engagement. Involving local communities in conservation efforts ensures they benefit from protecting wildlife, creating a win-win situation. What can you do? Support conservation organizations, donate to or volunteer with groups that work to protect endangered species and their habitats. Make sustainable choices. Avoid products made from endangered species and opt for sustainable and eco-friendly options. Reduce your carbon footprint. Cutting down on energy use and choosing renewable sources helps combat climate change, benefiting wildlife globally. Raise awareness. Educate others about the importance of conservation and the threats facing endangered species. Advocate for policy changes. Push for stronger environmental laws and policies that prioritize conservation efforts. Hope for the future. While the challenges are immense, there is hope. Conservation efforts have successfully brought species like the giant panda and humpback whale back from the brink of extinction. These success stories demonstrate that, with collective effort and commitment, it is possible to reverse the damage and ensure a future where humans and wildlife coexist. Endangered species are a vital part of Earth's rich tapestry of life. By acting now, we can preserve this diversity for future generations, ensuring that our planet remains a vibrant and thriving home for all living beings.